Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today I'm going to do my apple, cranberry, or raisin muffins. I also add nuts, either walnuts or pecans. Anyway, I'm going to have the recipe there for you. But I'm just going to show you a couple things because sometimes it's good to see the mixture when you maybe haven't done it this way before. So this is my Vitamix, and it has date plant milk mix. And basically I soaked the dates in some kind of plant milk for a couple hours to get soft, and then I run it in the food, in the Vitamix, and it gets really thick. And so that's what the date mix is that I discuss. And I also grate my apples with a food grater, so they're just fine grated apples. This is my mixture of my ground oats and almond flour, but you can use regular flour as well. I use my ice cream scoop to measure the amount of batter into each little section of the muffin tin. And I use either an olive oil, canola oil, or coconut oil spray because it helps them not stick. I don't like the muffin cups so much because they stick. Because as you can see, this is just all plant-based. It doesn't have any eggs, but they're not necessary. And then I have my spices and my baking powder. So now we have the finished muffin, which is a really nice, moist little muffin with your little dried fruit and fresh fruit. And they come really, really easy out of the muffin tin by just spraying that little bit of oil I was telling you. So stay sure, strong, and steady. Make this recipe your own. Have fun with it. Freeze them, have them for dessert, have them for a snack, have them for breakfast. They're just a great, fun fall muffin. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.